Hey, I'm going to give this sewer cam a try, so stick with me. I've got this construction project. I've got a building here. I've had numerous backups. You know what a plumber costs. And now I'm doing storm drains. And I'm going to go through this gutter dropout here. I've got clay pipe. And this pipe here is probably 4 or 5 inch. I know the main pipe is 6 inches. So I picked up this 100-foot snake, with a camera and built-in monitor here. And I'm curious to see how bright the monitor is. The camera comes with 3 attachments, depending on the size of your pipe. Like I'm going to do clay pipe, so we're going to give it a whirl here. I charged it. Comes with its actually came with its power supply, charger, and cable. It's not a Type C, so I was a little disappointed in that. But it's not heavy. And then in here you have your accessories. They called endoscope protector. Endoscope. It's kind of funny, but and then your big one has wheels on it for this big pipe. So let's give it a try. Designed. This has a 7-inch monitor, and again, I haven't used this yet, so it's got a little screen protector on there. Now these do record, and so the first thing you want to do here is you got a little cable that you need to put in all the way into your monitor. That's going to get your signal from the camera. And then they sit like this. And then you got a little screw here that allows you to freewheel it. That locks it in. There it goes. And I'm going to power it up. So I was wanting to know how bright it is. It's bright out here, and I can see the image. And actually, the image is quite nice. Now, let's see what kind of modes we've got here. Okay, so that's your playback mode. Menu. You can format the card, date and time. Let's see, language, contrast, saturation, sharpness. So you can control a lot of things on the monitor. And then the mode, I'm just curious how you record. So no file. Now, I'm not sitting on even ground here, but okay, I got to get my screw up a little farther. And so let's see here. Well, it's got a light on it, and I'm assuming that you can adjust the brightness on that light. Right now it's got this rubber wheel around it. If you want to change that out, you have a little hex key, and this one would have these little things to protect the lens. I'm just going to go with it the way it is because I just want to get in the first part of it. So once you've got that screw all the way back, let's see if we can get past this gutter. There we go. Now I'm looking at the image. Okay, got to get past the first turn. Okay, got past that turn, and I can see. Oh wow. Okay, so there's the bottom of the concrete. Now we're in that clay pipe. Okay, got past that. This is clean as a whistle. Oh, look at that. So now, I wonder if I can, let me see something here. No file. Okay, so you hit the OK button, and that starts the recording. So I'm down. It gives you the date. Okay, I got past that pipe, and past that pipe. Man, this thing is clean. Now I'm not having any problems with drainage here, but what I'm curious as to where the heck it goes. Now, I don't know how far I'll be able to get, but let me see if it can tell me how far I am. So, okay, now that's so I can change the intensity of the bulb. So it gives you 3 settings, 1, 2, 3. So the brightest being 3, which I'm at now. And again, like I said, it's really bright out here, so I'm able to see what's going on. I guess what I'll do is I'll show you the recording. Okay, so now we're into another junction. Just got through that one. Man. Another junction. Clean as a whistle. Another junction. Now I don't know whether it tells me how far I've gone. I'm not seeing anything that says distance-wise, which would be a nice feature. And remember, I got 100 feet of cable here, and I'm still pushing. Oh, right here. So the measurements on the cable itself. So I'm at 11 meters right now. Another junction. And now I'm at 12 meters. It's nice, the cable's stiff, but it gives me enough rigidity to push. So there's 13 meters. Another junction. And now I'm running into a little problem. Oh, there we go. Get past that junction. There we go, got past it. So I'm at 14 meters. Coming up on another junction. My wrist is starting to hurt. Okay, I'm into some water right there, so that's where I'm at. So what I've gathered here from this is I got 15 meters of clear pipe. That's where I hit the water, and I can't get past that area. So if I'm going to do a snake or something or a cleaning, at least I know at what distance I might have a clog. So it worked right out of the box. It's recording. I'll have all that footage. It showed me the pipe, plenty clean. I could see everything. So right out of the box, it did its job.